Look what's perched on the curtain. A bird just flew in through the window. Let me catch it. Let's see what bird it is. It's a little spider hunter bird. I don't know whether it's a male or female, but it's beautiful. It's small, but it has a long beak. Some people say birds coming into their home holds deep meanings, but I don't believe in any of those meanings. I only believe that the bird got lost out of curiosity. I believe that it flew in through the window because we live near the woods. And I can't believe that I got a bird alive